So today, class, we are doing problem number 5. Problem number 5 says, the volume of a rectangular prism is 273 cubic feet. If the prism is 6 feet long by 13 feet wide, so that is, if the prism is 6 feet long and 13 feet wide, what is the surface area of the prism?
Trying to sleep here.
That is 6 feet wide by 13 feet long. So, we are missing the height. First thing we have to look for is the height. So, to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we must use V for volume equals length times width times height. Excuse me. Why are you sleeping in my class? You need to learn this for the test.
It's nap time.
That was in kindergarten we had nap time. This is high school. Learn here, okay? Now, do you know the volume? How to find the volume of a rectangular prism?
I don't know.
You sure you
You
don't know?
didn't teach me.
Well,
Teach me.
the volume is V.
V.
Hold on. What are you using? We use pencil and math.
Only the coolest people use blue crayons. This color of the sky and my eyes and your shirt.
This is your shirt. By the way.
Oh yeah. Whatever. Sleepy time.
So, the volume. No, it's no sleepy time. No sleepy time. Okay. Do you remember what the volume was of the prism?
Was it 273 feet cubed?
Yes. So where do we write that?
Where the V is. So 273
273
feet cubed
equals. Do we know what the length is?
equals length. It's 6 foot
6 times what is the width?
Is it 13?
Yes, it is 13. So what we need to find is the height. So that's what's missing.
Do you
We
get
bring
this?
down the H.
I don't get this. Okay, taking the H. Hi H.
Now, what is 6 times 13?
I got my handy dandy calculator. You got one? I got one. 6 times, oops, that's a divided by time. 6 times 13. That is 78. Sir
78.
John Blueskin.
So we bring down the 273.
But you forgot the H.
Yes, I did. Times H. Do you know what we do next?
Do add 78 to both sides?
We don't add because we're.
How about subtract?
No, we don't do either of those. We are multiplying.
Multiply it.
One more. What's the other one we use? Starts with a D and ends with.
Do we
Divide.
square root it?
No. Starts with a D and ends with abide.
Divide?
There you go. So
Or is
we
it trivide?
We divide the whole thing by 78.
Oh my goodness, that's so much work. It's a long line.
So
Okay.
this 78 cancels out this 78. So we have to bring down
273 divided by 78 equals 3.5. Is that right, teacher?
3.5, yes.
That equals what? That equals the height?
That equals the height.
Ah.
Now,
Wait, is it feet? Is that feet?
yes, that is feet.
Cool.
Now, we need to find the surface area of the figure.
What?
So back to the figure we showed you before. The new height is 3.5 feet. Now we're finding the surface area. Do we know how to find the surface area?
I don't remember, teacher.
We find the length. We find the measurements of each face of the figure. And how many faces does a figure have? Or this figure have?
2 for 8.
No, let's count them together. We
Okay.
got the front and the back,
Okay. 2.
plus the top and the bottom,
4.
plus the side and the other side.
6.
Six total. Okay. So, our dimensions are, for one face, it's 3.5
This is boring.
times 6. I heard that, little Miss Maria.
No.
If you pay attention, it will be fun.
How can math be fun? Let's see.
So now, what's 3.5 times 6?
3.5 times 6. Crayon. Let me type it in. 3.5 times 6. That equals 21, teacher.
Equals 21. So now, how many faces of that dimensions do we have?
1.
On the board, yes, but on the figure there's 2. So
Ah!
what do we do to 21?
You multiply by 2.
Multiply it.
Or do you divide by 2?
Multiply by 2.
Okay, that's what I thought.
So what's 21 times 2?
42. I'm gonna tip back in my seat.
Equals
42.
42.
Whoa.
Now, we have another dimension of 6 times 13. 6 times 13. Which equals
That equals 78. And don't we have 2 of those too?
we also have 2 of those.
So do we multiply it by 2?
Yes, we do. And
I'm
what does that
so
equal?
smart. That's 156. This is fun.
Now,
Because I know the answers.
now we have another dimension of.
Another one.
Yes, we do. 3.5
That's a lot of dimensions.
times 13.
What?
3.5 times 13 equals what, little Miss Maria?
45.5, and you multiply that by 2 too?
Exactly.
And that's 91. He's not gonna catch me.
Cell phones away in class. Excuse me.
It's texting my boyfriend.
He can wait. So now, next thing we do is we add up all the faces.
All those numbers.
All these numbers.
All them numbers.
So what's 2 plus 6?
2 plus 6, 8.
Plus 1
9.
equals 9. And what's 9 plus 5?
That's 14. Plus 4
Plus 4
is 18. And you carry the 1.
8, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals
2.
2.
289.
289 feet.
Cubed. Squared. Squared. Squared.
Squared. Da da da.